Okay. I want to make a quick little video on what we did today in class, which was essentially trying to find the online book. So you can bookmark that and um, easily get to it, to use it, and then also to download and install the Kami extension for Chrome. So the first thing with the book, I'm going to go up to this. Um, all right, so the online text, couple different ways you can do it. I think the easiest is to go to this website, which is the Washington Township's district website. So www.msdwt.k12.in.us. Go there. It should look something like this. From there, you need to click on this little icon. It looks like two squares, one on the top of the other. When you click on that, it'll open up something that looks similar to this. Yours probably looks different than mine. And then you want to click on Pearson. Like I said, yours will probably be in a different place than mine is. So this orange one that says Pearson. When you do that, oh, I forgot. When you click on this, you'll probably need to log in. It'll ask you for your login, which is just your normal username, password that you use for everything else. So that'll take you there. Then you click on Pearson. From there, when you click on Pearson, then something should open up, and you'll be able to choose your class. This is going to look different because this is mine, and yeah, I have different classes, but when you're in just one class, choose your class. And then also anything that says, Earth Science 2017, Earth Science 2017. That's the year the book was published. I know it's 2020, but that's the year the book was published. So you click on your class, and then if something comes up that says something about Earth Science 2017, that's what you want to click on. Then it should ask you to, I think you choose an icon or a picture for your account, and then enter your name, and then I think you click launch. And it should look something kind of like this. You want to click on the browse. And then I think it takes you somewhere to where you can choose a text. So again, choose something Earth Science 2017. And then there'll be this open a new window. Click that to open a new window, and it should look something sort of like this. This is the book. This is the online version of the textbook. You can click on the menu and get a drop down and go to table of contents, which will let you move around in the book much, much easier. And then you have the full table of contents there. So here's the book, and there it is. All right, so the book, menu, table of contents. You can, all these different things, you drop these down, go to places more easily. Put this up here. The glossary is down here. So you can look up words, change page, flip the pages that way. What I would suggest doing is, either at the cover or table of contents or whatever, well, probably the cover, is bookmarking this in your browser. That way it's going to be a lot easier to get to the book, because I think it will work that way. I don't think you'll have to sign in. So that should help, and that should take care of the online book. I'm not saying it's something we'll use a lot, but I think it's a good resource to have. The second part, Kami. It's an extension for Chrome. If you're not using a Chromebook and you don't use Chrome, that's fine. It's web accessible. So there are a couple ways you can do this. If you go to on the district website, the Rapid Identity, on the Chromebooks, there should be a list of Washington Township approved apps and extensions, and Kami should be in that. If not, you can just Google you can just run a Google search for Kami extension, and find Kami extension. The second one, this is the one that works on a web browser. It's not the extension, it's just a web browser. So this Kami extension, so this is the one that you want. So you click Add to Chrome. All right, that's fine, add the extension. I don't even know what that is. Okay, so to open this up, on this version of Chrome, it has this little K. So I click on this. Some of the other versions, and maybe even the Chromebooks, there will be a little puzzle piece that you click on, and that'll open it. So when you open up Kami for the first time, you can log in with Google. So just use your school Google account and log in that way. And then I think it takes you to something that looks like this. Sign up for free, and that'll take you to something that looks kind of like this, but not with Create Classroom Assignment. That's the teacher version. What I want to use this for in class is for notes. I can give you, I can digitally give you a PDF of the notes with some words missing. And then as I go through the notes, you can digitally fill those in by using this. So that example, open from computer. So you open from computer. There. And all right, so here we have this, all of these things. For this, a text box. Planet forms, or maybe there's a diagram that you need to draw something. This, so you can draw arrows or whatever. You can put in shapes and all different kinds of things. And when we're done with this, then you can save the file and download it to your computer. So that way you have a completed set of files. Everything's filled in. It's going to be easier to look through and review than looking at YouTube videos and all that stuff. So I hope that helps. If not, we can work on getting this set up, and I can help you with it even more one-on-one if there are some issues with it. So like I said, hope this helps, and see you tomorrow.